Hi guys, this is like the fourth video that I've done today, which is just so insane. But I thought to end the evening, it's currently 10:16. I thought let's do a backtesting session. I still need to do my weekly analysis for ICC. For my swing trading, so I'll do that, but I'll do that most likely tomorrow. I did mark up the chart though in a previous video if anyone is curious what my chart is currently looking like. But yeah, I'll be doing a weekly analysis very soon. But yeah, it'll probably have to be tomorrow. But yeah, I just thought let me just hop on here and do a quick session. I think we got up to April, January, February, March. I think we're up to April now. Hopefully didn't get that wrong. Let's double check because it kind of auto-loaded. Hold on. Damn. If I go to the end, it'll have the most recent ones. No. Okay, cool. Love that. I'm gonna guess that I'm on April. I might not. What are we doing? Gold, of course. Start date. If you don't know, I'm trying to backtest the whole year and record it all. And we're going to be focusing on swing trading. Hopefully this backtesting session doesn't take too long. I actually just said in my last backtesting session, I just finished filming it. It was these ones. I had a 100% win rate this backtesting session, which is so crazy. And that was the scalping strategy that I backtested. And I posted this morning and I had a 50% win rate and I was down like $400. And then I did another backtesting session today, or I think it might have been yesterday evening. And I had I was up $500, but I still had a 50% win rate. And then on this one, I was up like 1.3 and I had a 100% win rate, and that was only in a week of backtesting. Yeah, so let's go. Let's backtest. So yeah, we're backtesting ICC, if it wasn't already clear on the title. Backtesting ICC is honestly, like, because I'm confident with it, it's not too, let me not get carried away because I could, like, go really badly with this backtesting session, but it's not as stressful as backtesting my scalping strategy, because my scalping strategy I'm still trying to learn, so I'm, like, trying to learn while I backtest, but luckily with this, yeah, it's a little bit calmer, a little bit easier, I guess you could say. Okay, if I'm looking at this, I'm going to go, this is a high that we have here. I'm going to put that as my bullish above. And then this will be my bearish below down here. Because I'm a little bit peckish. A little bit hungry. Anyway, I'm going to sync time frames and let price do what it wants to do. I watch price on the 1 hour as well. Maybe we'll put this in 2x as well, so it's not too long of just waiting and watching. I want to see a really big, really nice correction. Bearish structure, kind of. Lower highs. Equal highs. A lot of volatility, pushing up, making higher highs. Let's go back to the 4 hour and see if we've got any new structure. So I guess we kind of do have a new level down here, but I still want to see price keep correcting down, but we'll just see what it does, because we have to react to price. We can't just assume. Okay, going lower. I didn't put my sessions indicator on. So I don't know what session we're in right now. If you know me, you know I hate these borders because they're so ugly. So I always turn them off because I like everything looking good, because it's calmer and it's easier for me to analyze. It's not just because it needs to look a certain way. It's because I actually analyze better. See, I wanted to see a little bit more of a correction, but this is okay. I'll just wait and see what happens because we need to correct at some point. I want to see what Asia session does, and I want to see if price breaks structure above here or continues to correct down. Okay, we corrected down for Asia. We could still be correcting. That'd be ideal because we want to get a nice move back up. That's like technically somewhat a breaker structure, but I still want a better one. And that's why I want a better one. Okay. Is price going to break our bearish below level, or is it going to continue back up? Oh, it's broken below our level. So that looks like we're looking for sells now. If we're looking for sells, this would be our bearish below level right here. I just want to see it play out a little bit more before I start trying to jump into sells. Just want to see what happens, what price wants to do. That's price pretty much coming back down to that. We're back up to that level there. We're coming into New York. We've broken structure to the downside. Could honestly take sells and have them look something like this. We are pretty bullish though, so see what the daily time frame looks like. Okay, so we've wicked below this level here. I kind of think I'd like to see a little bit more before I think of entering in. So we'll just let it play out. Straight to my TPA. Should have just trusted price action. But it's fine, we move on. We're officially bearish, so that is amazing. We have a direction that we're going in. Ugh, guys, I'm drinking green tea, but I'm drinking it with no sweetener. It is disgusting. Let me tell you that. It is just not nice at all. I want to see a nice push up on the 4 hour. So we've obviously had an ICC right there, but I want to see it on the 4 hour. I don't want to see it on the 1 hour. I mean, considering that we were apparently bearish because we did break structure to the downside, we've officially broken structure to the upside. So in a way, I'm still glad I didn't take that trade because we are looking at swing trading it. We're not just looking at quickly getting in like a quick scalp or a quick intraday. We're looking at actually swing trading it. So I'm glad I didn't enter in. Figure it out, gold. We've literally just been rallying, like no retracement on the 4 hour. This is all internal structure. Equal highs. I want to see price sell off now. My goodness. I'm really peckish. I want something to eat. Don't know what I want to eat, but I want to eat something. Maybe I guess like some oats or something. After this backtesting session, of course. I'm just really zoomed out because I want to see what's happening overall. We got somewhat of a move, but I still want to see price correct back down. So these will be our secondary levels. Well, now we've got it's not even secondary anymore. It's like a third level. This is 1 level, this is 2 levels, this is 3 levels that we'll be monitoring all of the levels. Because price needs to do a correction. Is it going to do a shallow correction or is it going to do like a nice deep correction? Because that's what we want. We want a deep correction. Because it's literally just rallying up. Okay, we're correcting, please. Never mind. Now we've got a third level, but I'm still waiting. I'm going to stay patient for the setup that I want. Because we're at all-time highs. I don't want to jump into anything all the way at the top of all-time highs, because that would just be FOMOing. We might not even take a trade this whole entire month, and if that's the case, we'll just move to the next month of price action, because yeah, we're just continuing to push and rally. So this is where we want to come in on the 30-minute and see what is happening, because price could just fill the gap and reject. Yeah, see, there you go. So that's our first level. We want to see price continue to sell off. Here's our second level here. We're still not looking for sells. Interesting. Okay, look. Even though price broke this low here, I could still look for taking buys here, because now we've had a nice correction. Is it the correction that I really want? No. But it is a correction. But I'm not sure. Not sure about that. I'll see if price can get past this high, because if we're looking on the 4 hour, because that's what we're really looking at here, we want to see an indication and a correction to here at the least. But we'll just wait and see what happens, because we can't force it to do that if that's not what it wants to do. I hate it when it moves like that. I like to pick where it goes and just have the screen be still and just moving to the side. Equal highs. Okay, we've broken a low. Let's continue to go lower. Equal lows. We're chopping. We're probably going to get to the end of the month without a trade. Yeah, the 29th. Means we'll have to mark up all of this again. Okay. That was a eventful month of backtesting. Super eventful. Okay, what was that? January, February, March, April, May. Honestly, I think I could sit down and I could backtest a whole year. Guys, should I challenge myself to do that this coming weekend? Because obviously it's Sunday now, I don't really have the time. Or I could do it on Tuesday when I do have some time. And I just backtest the whole year. Low-key, why does that sound so exciting? To just literally sit down with a coffee and a snack and just backtest the whole year. It might be a 2-hour long video, but who else do you know on the internet that will backtest a whole entire year of a strategy straight in one video? I would not mind it at all. I actually love backtesting because it builds so much confidence with my strategies. Honestly, tempted to backtest my ICT strategy again. And that is a lot of backtesting in just this weekend. Anyway, we've got this here. This is our bullish above. This is what we want price to retrace to, okay? This is the goal. This is our bearish below. If price breaks this level, completely bearish. But I don't really think we are bearish. This is our next level. This is our next bullish above level. So we want to see price retrace to here. If we're going to continue up, we don't want to see price break here. And this was that level that I had mentioned before, I'm pretty sure, that I wanted to see price break above. So let's turn on that sessions indicator. And I think low-key I could do 6 months of backtesting straight on Tuesday, and then maybe Thursday I can do another 6 months, and then we'll do a year in the whole week. How crazy is that? That's pretty good. But obviously, that you guys are watching this, like, you know that like the back testing, it doesn't take too long to do a month because it's so high time frame based. Like I'm not sitting there scalping every single day of the year, 365 days. No, I'm just watching price action go by, and it's really just pattern recognition. Like with my other strategy, it's all discretion. So I need to use my discretion so much. But with this, it's almost like pattern trading, but honestly it's not even bad. Like I have a narrative as to what's going on, even if I am pattern trading. I want to see price break that white level right there. This one here. This is ideal. Price could retrace into here and correct back down and sell off again. Had a mini sell-off, but is that going to be high or low? Potentially. Okay, we broke structure again. We've broken structure multiple times now. Now I'm a little like, looks pretty bullish. Pretty happy with that correction. You know, like it could continue to push down, but now it's broken structure multiple times. I'm a little bit more like, it's probably going to continue now. So what I'd like to see is New York session volume. Like, what's the plan, New York? Okay, New York kind of chopped. I'm gonna enter right there. I know what, it's out of session, like it's out of what's it called? It's out of session, but that's where I'm gonna enter. Stop loss here. I'm gonna put my stop loss here actually. I'm probably not gonna have the size to be able. Oh, I do. 0.01. That's what I'm going to be risking. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it do what it wants to do. Whatever it wants to do is fine. If it doesn't want to play out, it's fine. Then I probably just wanted to correct back down to this level here, and I didn't let it do its thing. So yeah, if price continues to sell off, that's totally fine. But this is my analysis. So what I like to do when I'm in a trade is just speed it up, because price is going to fluctuate. It's going to take a long time. Like, it's fine. Oh, it's selling off. Damn, it's made a lower high. That's interesting. Maybe we'll slow it down back to 2x, because that is pretty bearish structure. Holy, it's going slow. What I want to see is that recent lower high being, what's it called, broken to the upside. Oh, it looks like it's going to hit my stop loss. Wait, what account size did I use? I used a 25k. That's quite a lot. I didn't mean to use a 25k. I looked at the risk and I was like, because usually when I've been doing my swing trading, I've left it at a 2.5k account. So, because that's more reflective of what I actually trade. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done that size. Okay, well, it hit my stop loss. That's okay. I probably should have just waited for price to to continue correcting. So I'll write that here. Should have waited for price to continue to correct. And to be fair, I did enter this trade pretty late. I should have probably entered around about here, and then that way I could have put my stop loss down here and then seen what happens. So I'm just gonna put my stop loss there for now. Okay, yeah, so it would have hit my stop loss anyway. That's fine. So now what we have here is we have price has made this level here, and we got this level here. That would be our bullish above, our invalidation for sells. So right now I want to see, is price going to continue up, which I'd like to see a breaker structure here, or is it going to continue down? If it sells off, that would actually be pretty good, because we have just been absolutely rallying for the longest time. So if I want to take buys, I want to see a high low being formed, and then I want to see price to continue to push up. And next time I enter, I want to enter in New York session volume, not out of session volume. Because if we actually look back, how would I have reacted to the New York volume? New York volume would have been stagnant, and then it would have started dropping. So if I just waited for that New York volume, I probably would have been a bit better. Okay, it's making higher lows here. It's kind of hit a resistance level. Okay, that's interesting. Well, that's exactly what I would have wanted to see to take those original buys that I wanted. So low-key, I feel pretty, we have a gap right here actually. So once this gap is filled, I will feel confident getting in. I just want to see how price reacts to it. And once I can see that, I'll get a better idea of what the hell price wants to do. So ideally, I'd want to see a new higher low being made and then a high to be broken coming out of that gap. We've obviously filled the gap, so next level we want to get broken is this level here. I don't want to see that bearish blow being broken because if you actually look back, there's a higher low right there. Gosh, we might need to go into the next month because it's taking a bit of time. Okay. Cool. I can probably put my stop loss there. And then we can have that as my first level. But it's a little bit difficult because the 4-hour does look pretty bearish. But we've been waiting for price to come back down to this level right here. So overall, I still believe that it's a correction for gold. But I could be proven otherwise. So, yeah. I can go 0.02. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, did I enter at New York volume actually? Oh, I did. New York looked pretty choppy, so. Speed it up. So I don't want to sit through the whole thing. Oh, damn. It's selling off pretty heavily. Can we pause? Moving a little bit too fast. Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss there. Okay, hit my stop loss, but that means that we're just going lower, which is fine because if you look here, we actually have our bearish below level set right here. So we want to see price continue below this level, and we've got a head and shoulders pattern. So I feel pretty confident. I could even take sells on the 1 hour right here if price retraces down because we have a head and shoulders. So let's see how it plays out. Oh, it broke the high, so I'm not taking sells below there. I'm waiting for price to come all the way back down. It didn't candle close though. It's really just dependent on what it looks like. Oh. Well, this is my trade. I lost 2 trades, so that's a 0% win rate, but I'm going to do another month. January, February, March, April, May, June. I'm getting into like flow state right now. This is actually crazy. Oh, my neck is sore though. I'm like sitting in a really weird position. I also have work tomorrow, so I have to be up a little bit early, but I'm really enjoying this. Okay, let's do our original size, which is 2,500. And then we risked 2%. So let's do that. Let's go back to that size. Honestly, I could sit here and backtest the entire year. This is how obsessed I am with trading. Like, I just genuinely enjoy it so much, and it's not about the money to me. It's about like the craft of trading and just improving your skill and being able to practice your skill. It's like almost like basketball. Like, like if you practice it for, like, if you love doing basketball and you love developing on a skill, like you love standing there and shooting goals over and over and over again. And every single time you take a goal, you step back to see how far you can shoot a goal from, and you do that every single day. That's kind of like what trading is in my mind. Like it's like a basketball, like it's like a skill like basketball where you're just like, I don't know, playing basketball, like loving the game. I think I might have been a little bit zoomed out in my last backtesting session, to be fair. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. But anyway, regardless, keep it pushing. Here's our bearish below. This is our bullish above. Okay, let's see how this plays out. I'm going to put it in 2x speed because we don't have time to be sitting around here for too long because we have jobs. We have things to do. A job's not for long, hopefully. Hopefully I can go into trading full time. It's cold. Okay. Are we bullish again? Figure it out, please. It looks like we are bullish. It's reacted off at this level here. We look bullish. Like, I would honestly feel comfortable taking buys right here. But whatever. This is our bullish above. I also need to go to the bathroom. I see a nice retracement. Are we going to break structure? Or are we going to keep correcting down? Oh, is that a decision? Okay. I want to see one more break a structure without breaking the low. Came pretty close to that low. See what London does. Okay, we're correcting still. See what New York does. Okay. Feel pretty confident getting into buys right there. Stop loss down here. Doesn't really matter because I think I'm just going to do 0.01 every single time. Stop loss doesn't matter because we're swing trading. I mean, whatever happens, like, it's fine. It did hit my level though, so maybe I should have taken it out a bit early. But we're swing trading it. Let me go back and make sure I actually put my stop loss order in there. Okay, boom, we lost $50. That's totally fine. I mean, it hit my level that I would have overall been targeting, but I would have preferred targeted up here. I think I should have probably gotten out at the indications of like being like, okay, we're at my level now, let's see what New York volume brings in, and once I see what New York volume brings in, I probably should have got it out, but still, I think my stop loss was a little bit too wide to be doing that. Anyway, that's like the third time that I've lost on buys, so I'm not really understanding what is happening here. Keep that level there. I'll wait for price to hit my bearish below level and then just see what happens. Because price could have still needed to correct potentially. Because we didn't come all the way below the level. We kind of just tapped it. If anything, we didn't really tap it. Probably shouldn't have entered there, to be honest. But I don't want to be like convincing myself that buys are still happening. Do you know what I mean? Like, if I keep losing on them. Just gonna watch what happens here. New York volume sold off again. Asia session, London session selling off, New York session volume selling off again. This outer session volume's weird. Okay, outer session volume's pushing up. I want to see a correction in one of the sessions. without it coming above here, ideally. Okay, correction in London. New York coming in with buying volume. I feel comfortable getting into buys. Do I want to have a really wide stop loss like that? But I guess that's still like my rules. But I actually want to like swing, like I want to take it up, like high. Could have stop loss here though, because we're getting in on the 1 hour. I feel like it just makes more sense because we have waited for that 1 hour. Okay, we finally bought up. I want to put out the level. We got one here. We got all-time highs here. Probably should have taken it out once we hit that level there. But it still looks bullish. Okay, we wick past the high. Should I watch this on the 30-minute? Probably. Are we going to just blaze through the high or not? Are we going to break lows? What are we doing? London session. New York volume. Is that just me being scared and just wanting to get out? Because I mean, if we zoom out, see, that's the problem with not putting my stop loss all the way down here, is because now my stop loss is here. I can't like go like, okay, well, if it was X, Y, and Z, then so and so and so. Do we have news? Oh, didn't mean to do that. We didn't even have news. Do I get out? Do I stay in? I'm gonna get out. Now I'm regretting. I should have just taken my position out as soon as I got to profit, because now I'm like giving back. Do I just part of me is just like, oh, whatever, like let me just keep it in, but because I'm feeling that right now, I should just take it out. I swear to God, if it goes into my direction, I'm gonna be annoyed. Okay, so overall we are still pretty bullish. We've broken a high. We are still very bullish, so I'll be looking at taking buys again in a minute. I think I'm gonna monitor my trades a little bit on a little bit of a lower time frame. Okay, we've got that marked out still. Alright, let's see what happens. I want to see price break the highs. High, low, and pushing up again. That's what I want to see. High, low, and push up. Okay, we broke all those lows. We are chopping. What's the 4 hour looking like? Pure chop. It's looking like pure chop, let me tell you. Okay, hurry up. Figure out what you want to do, please. I kind of could do another backtesting month. If price can break that high without breaking another low, then that would be really great to get in. Okay, never mind. It's gonna break that low. Loki looks like it. If it breaks that low, what's our plan? To take sales below this level here. Let me remove all of these because it looks ugly on the chart. I want to see price break the low. I mean, if price breaks the low now, I can't really use that level. So I don't mind price retracing back into that level. Okay, now we're actually in that level. We made equal lows though, so it's a little bit like nor here nor there. I could take them. It's what price is showing me, so I should take them and not be too overly biased. Let's just see what happens though. Okay, well, we're selling off. What volume is that? It's New York volume. Sure, we'll have a correction at some point. Is that correction going to break that high? Okay, that's really annoying. It won't let me. Wait, I didn't even get to close my trade. Guys, let me back in. I need to close my trade at least. Yes, thank you. Oh, I wonder if I can extend the time. Lucky if I can extend the time, then I'll extend it all the way to July. Yeah, there we go. And let's extend it to the end of July, and then I'm gonna go to the bathroom, then I'm gonna come back, and then we can finish this backtesting session. Okay, I'm back. Okay, let's do the rest of this month. Let's actually have a look and review what are our draws here, and we got a big level down here. Really, we could just swing this to wherever it wants to go, like it's fine. It's tough because price is very clearly wanting to sell off. So it's a little bit hard to say where it's selling off to. Because this is obviously our invalidation level here. So price could continue to sell, and that would be completely valid. But it needs to make a lower high at some point because it's just crazy sold off. And then this would be our next level to take buys below. I mean, I could size into my trade once it gets back below. A little bit hard to say. I'm just going to hold it because it's still bearish. Okay, see New York volume. New York volume did nothing. Okay, I don't really like how it's breaking highs. And to my stop loss. Okay. I don't really like how I'm performing this backtesting session. I don't like it. No, I'm going to restart. I'm going to go to July. I'm going to go July, January, February, March, April, July, June, July, August, September. I'm going to go... Because I don't know what it is. Like what is actually, like... Is my mind not thinking correctly? Because that's a crazy losing streak. I don't understand it. But I think it's just because price is just pretty... Like... It's pretty choppy, like it's pretty much like up, down, up, down, up, down. And I probably should just analyze the market conditions when price is doing that and go, Okay, price doesn't really know what it wants to do right now. Like, let me just take low-hanging fruit. So let me just reassess, because I'm trying to swing trade and get trades to, you know, get to the bottom of the chart. I'm trying to swing trade to 0. I need to just chill. I'm gonna redeem myself, guys, don't worry. But also, I'm not gonna attach myself to those results. But I'm a little bit like, what is going on? Like, why am I not trading to the best of my abilities? So let's see if I can come back from this. And I think I can. I really think I can. I think I'm just being stupid. Okay. So we've got this level here that we could take sells below. So I'll just be waiting for that one. And then this is our bullish above. We're going to keep it really simple this backtesting session. I'm just going to watch price go. Oh, we got to sync time frames first, because otherwise we'll be sitting here forever. Like, literally. Be sitting here for months. Okay, pushing up. Gotta make sure I get my execution a little bit better as well, because my execution has been a little bit sloppy. Are we gonna break that internal high? We did. Okay, we broke the invalidation level. I guess I really just want to see what happens. We're gonna make it go a little bit faster. Don't ask me how my brain can work this fast, it just does. Okay, well, this is our new level here. Maybe my brain doesn't work that fast. I want to see price break that, but it didn't. So, it's what it is. Okay, well, now we're selling, I guess. See, it's just like ping pong. Like, what are we doing? Tell me what we're doing. Please. Because what was our original level? It was down here. But it's been invalidated, so... Stop! Let me not get impatient again. Okay. What am I quoting? Okay, this is our bullish above here, so we don't want to see this level being broken. And if it does, we can look for buys. Gosh, it feels so slow. Okay, we can look for sells now. Oh my gosh, what are we doing? The patience is on point right now because... I mean, I could talk this whole time, but like, I don't think there's a point. Like, I can say that price is gonna do whatever, but if it's if it just wants to take its time, it just wants to take its time, like, whatever. Okay, well, obviously going up. See what I mean? It's just like flip-flopping. What's the daily time frame doing? It's literally chopping. It is literally chopping, but it's making higher highs, so that's a good thing. We're looking for indication, correction, continuation. So now I want to see a correction down to this level down here. Beautiful. Now I'm looking at the lower highs to be broken. If we can continue correcting, that would be even better. Okay, that's a high broken. Stop loss down here. Okay, 0.01. Come by. Oh. Lucky lost again. I'm gonna hide my P&L. How can I do that? Hide prices. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, because I don't want to know. Like, if I'm in a trade, I don't even want to know. Okay, we're just gonna move on. Because we might have been correcting a little bit more. And if so, that's fine. I just have to do what I said at the start and just wait for the New York volume. But usually it's fine if I get in Asia. Because Asia usually gives a continuation. Oh. Well, what does one do with that? I think I'm just gonna draw out my new levels if that's the case. Because no. What should play out to? Because I would want to take buys above the level here, but that's just a crazy candle. Oh, didn't play out. Okay, cool. Bearish now. Oh, we're gonna break the higher low. Was that just a wick? No, it wasn't. If we can come below, I'll look at taking sells. We broke the high. Why is it ping-ponging? It's literally like, it's getting on my nerves now. It's giving such like shallow movement. It's not giving like this. This is nice. This is nice. Like, it's so clear, but this is just like chop. And I hate it. Biggest consolidation hater. Well, I like that move up that it had. I'm gonna be pissed off if it starts rallying to all-time highs after this. But whatever. I'd like to see a correction. I'd like to continue to see a correction. Where are all-time highs? Therapy. Imagine I miss my move. I'll actually be mad. I did not. Price is not corrected. That looks nice. Okay, this is what I want to see. Without price breaking this level. I like that New York is bringing in buying volume right now. Like, we heavily bought up. Asia's not giving a continuation, so I don't really like that. I like it when Asia gives a continuation. This New York volume's selling. Don't like that move that it had. Price can continue its way up. That would be lovely. Okay. Me and backtesting are about to have beef because what do you mean? Like, actually figure it out. Like, what are we doing? Are we buying? Are we selling? Like, you're getting on my nerves now. Because now I can't take that buy above that level. Whatever. This is why scalping and swing trading is so good, because like if you look at all the valid setups that we've had, there has been very few. So the fact that you can scalp and swing, you can wait for those high quality moves rather than just trying to get in on any and everything just because you have a lack of setups. And that's what I like about doing both. Okay, we've got that indication now. We got a candle closure. I'm not taking the other thing as an indication because it's just a wick. Nice correction. Cool. What type of volume is this? If Asia could give a continuation, that would be so fire. Thank God I waited. The patience I have to have right now is absolutely insane. Because what do you mean we're just flip-flopping between bias? Like, what are we doing? Please. This is annoying me as well because I want to go get food and I can't get food unless price, well, until I finish these backtesting sessions and price fixes itself up. Like, why are we like this right now? If it was real time, I'd be able to tell you why we're like this because I will be catching up with the news. But 'cause I'm not in live markets, I'm not going to go back and be like, what happened in August of 2025? Pure chop on a daily. I want a retracement. Price might not give me a retracement and that's fine, but that's what I want to see. Because I'm about to trade chop in the 4 hour. Price is going to chop, I don't really want to watch it slowly, I want to speed it up. Chop. Bullish structure. We tapped into this high here. Could take buys. I'm glad I waited. Oh my god, like, figure out what you want to do. Like, it's literally taking forever for Price to figure out what it wants. And on the daily, it's just chop. We've hit our level. Oh, too fast. Wait a minute. No. Anyway. Oh. Like, part of me wants to get on that candle because we are bullish. Oh. Because we hit my level here, we made a higher low. It's literally what I was waiting for. I was waiting for Price to break above here, but whatever. Just have to wait for a new break. Literally so annoying. Okay. Can take buys here. Obviously R looks crazy, but that's not my real R. It's not actually what I'm looking for. Okay, well there, it's hit my level that I wanted, but I still want to see it push higher. Because I'm obviously trying to swing trade it. Okay. Okay, pushing up again. Volumes New York, bring in. Chop. Pushing up again. Okay, London. What volumes New York bringing? Pushing up again. The only thing with London is you can expect corrections in London. New York's pushing up. Okay, interesting candle. That one was really just the candle formation. What volumes New York bringing? Semi-chop. So we need to make a correction at some point, so London. Okay, there we go. I like that I don't know what I'm making, really. Even though it's in the corner, I did just look. Okay, what's New York bringing? Okay, love. It's a big candle down. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we are? Yeah, we got all-time highs. So, let's see what that crazy RR gave us. Gave us a 3.5, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. When I say the crazy RRs, because I obviously put my stop loss in a crazy place. Cool. That was cool. Finally, like, I'm honestly not even surprised. Like, I don't even care. I literally don't even care because what the freak was the price action leading up to that? Oh, I should have held. Whatever. Let's just see what it does though, because That's kind of fun. Maybe did I get it right? I mean, everything that it's doing seems pretty hesitant, so whatever. Anyway, let's move our levels. Oh, I didn't really care about hiding the marks. I just wanted to remove my things. Okay, that's our bluish above. This is our bearish below. Cool, cool. Can't go any faster. I want to see a nice correction. Maybe I'm being greedy with what I want as the correction. This is our secondary level. I'm hungry. That's what I am. I'm freaking starving. So hungry. Hurry up, figure out what you want to do. Stop pushing up because I could have held on my trade. Okay. But it's literally fine. I got a good percentage gain because we're only on a 2.5k account, remember that. Keep correcting, please. No, we're just gonna chop. I mean, if that's what you want to do, then I guess do you. So bullish above, here's our bearish below. Whatever. Okay, could have held for a minute. Break the low, please. No, we're just gonna continue up. So I don't want to take an entry that's not my model. Like, I could look at this and be like, oh, I'm gonna enter here because I feel like it, but it'd be stupid. Okay. Oh, at 13%. That's pretty good. 13 percentage gain is pretty good. It's pretty solid. Okay, well, let's see if I was even profitable overall with all of those sessions. Oh, I have so many July. What was it? June, February, March, May, June, July. June, I have a lot of June too. Oh, March. January, February, March, April. I think, no. January, February, March, April, May. March, April, May. Did I do April or May? But I have two. I don't know. Like, whatever. Take it as you want. Like, yeah, I wouldn't say my performance was the best. When it comes to this backtesting session, obviously we're profitable overall. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me. Oh, we did that one with like a 25k account, so it'd be hard to tell you my P&L, but I don't even know if I'm profitable or not. For this backtesting session, but yeah, it was probably a good wake up call to actually lock in and make sure I'm, actually taking my backtesting seriously and being like really focused. So yeah, I'm not mad with the results. I'm not happy with the results though, but yeah, it just goes to show that when markets are in tropic conditions, I should probably, think about it a little bit more. But I'll be doing lots more backtesting, lots more practicing, lots more developing my skill. So stay tuned. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week because it's Sunday. And yeah, I'm gonna get some food and go to bed. It's like 11:30 now, so wish me luck for tomorrow. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye.